Well, good chilly Monday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, gracious, it is sure enough cold. And it looks like it want to rain. It's just clouds everywhere. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is to show you what the fall raised bed garden is looking like and what's growing on. So give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, here we are over here by the 16-foot raised beds. Let me show you. There are the true blue collards. They are just booming because of this cool weather. I bet y'all I've done harvested about maybe 6 or 7 times off of these guys, and I got some more that I need to harvest. What's going on? Here's a stonehead cabbage. Looking good. Have some really nice heads on here. They just ain't extremely tight yet. They're looking good and they're growing. 4.5 inches of rain that we got Saturday just soaked them in real good, and I'm glad because I don't have to water them. But then again, you don't really have to water during the winter time anyway. But they are looking good. Here is my broccoli, and look at there. Oh yes, got some broccoli coming on. Real happy about that. And here is my cauliflower. Yeah, I believe it's, no, this is another broccoli plant. Haven't seen anything on that. Here is my cauliflower. I don't know what's going on with him. He just got tore up during the high winds, but he's still hanging on, so I reckon we're just gonna see what happens with him. But the broccoli and the cabbage are growing really good, especially with all of this cool weather. Now, over here to the wall that is not pole beans anymore. All my pole beans done died back, of course, with all of the cool weather. And I will say with certainty that next year, if the good Lord wills, I'm gonna plant nothing but 4-Tex pole beans on this 16-foot trellis right here. Really like the 4-Tex beans. They sure enough grow long. They don't get stringy because they're stringless. So I'm gonna roll with that next year for sure. But look at my rutabagas. Look at there. Hee. Got a little small one right there. I don't know what's going on with him. All 6 of my rutabagas are rutabagging away. Look at that. That's just a thing of beauty. Can't wait to like pick them and eat them. I'm gonna have to watch Bobby's video, the Mississippi Gulf Coast Garden. I'm gonna have to watch his video on, he pulled up like some ginormous rutabagas over there at his place, but his leaves on his rutabagas was just huge, so I'm kind of like gauging that off of that, but they're growing. Now what we're gonna do now is we finna walk on over to the north side of the 40, and I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. All right, okie dokie. Here's my 8-foot by 3 raised bed. The garlic is still growing like a champion. I want to say there's, I think, 25 or maybe, yeah, 25 or 27 heads that are still growing, and they actually are still growing. Looking good. Don't know what happened to my carrots. I have no idea. I don't know if I got a coon or something like that that is coming down out the tree and getting off in this raised bed. I just don't know. I had a whole bunch of carrots that popped up, look mighty pretty. Look now. There's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's another one right there, but they like just disappeared. I have no clue what happened to my carrots. Guess I'm gonna have to put me like a security camera or something out here to catch the bandit that's eating my carrots. I don't know. I don't think it's old Cash Money over there, because he doesn't really get in the raised beds. But my dipper gourds are still going good. Let me show you this. I had one that actually fell off of the vine. Now I believe it's drying out, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should put these guys inside or something. I'm kind of waiting for them to drop off of the vine. I have another one right there that looks like it's getting ready to fall. And these guys are starting to change colors. They were a real bright green, but now they're going to kind of like a multicolored green, light green and dark green. There's a big one right there. And these right here, see, they definitely starting to change color. All my peppers are done over here and over there. What I'll ask is, you and y'all that grow gourds, do y'all let your gourds just stay on the vine until they fall off? I've seen where some gourds actually dry on the vine. That I don't know, because this is my first go round with dipper gourds. So if you have any input on that, please drop something down in the comments, because I like reading comments, and I also like to gain more knowledge about folks that have a little bit more experience with gourds than I do. That's about it, y'all. Really don't have much growing on as far as the fall garden anymore. All my brassicas are still doing really good, and my rutabagas are doing real good. And I'm right proud of my gourds. They like still growing or drying, I don't know. We're gonna end this video, y'all. If you like the video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in 6 channel, gracious almighty, I'd like for y'all to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reffert showing off. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. He's showing off, get your shine on. I guarantee you it's that important. And Dan Reffert will see you and y'all in the next video.